The last time I got you on camera was at the Nipsey Hussle Memorial.
Right.
That was a little over a year ago, and that was kind of interesting to see all the Eight Trays in the parking lot of the Ralph's Supermarket on Slauson and Crenshaw. All the 60s was there, and it was all love, man.
Yeah, that's what they said it was gonna be when they, you know what I'm saying, contacted me. I didn't even know about the march at first. You know what I'm saying? They had contacted me and asked me was I gonna pull up. I think that was Pac-Man. He had hit me from over there in my inbox. They hit me and assured my security was gonna be safe. You know what I'm saying? And I told them I was gonna pull up. You know what I'm saying? I already knew certain homies wasn't gonna be with that shit. So I hit certain G's, you know what I'm saying, let them know what's up. I ain't had time with all the debates. You know what I'm saying? We a part of this city too. We like one of the #1 biggest Crip gangs here. You know what I'm saying? We and them are the first two Crip sets that started the Crip on Crip beef. And you know what I'm saying? So it was only right that we show up, just like the Warriors. If anything happened, every set gonna pull up. Cause they're part of that community, they're part of that city. So a tragedy had happened in a disrespectful way. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people took it hard, you know what I'm saying? So it was only right for us to show up and make it really look like something. Because if we wouldn't, I believe if we wouldn't have showed up, it really wouldn't have been as big as it was or talked about, because that's what they want to see. They wanted to see the negativity become positivity. You know what I'm saying? They want to see, can these dudes really, can we really get them together? Can we really like, yeah, we can. Everybody can. If you're a real man, you a factor, you know what I'm saying? You think for yourself, you know what I'm saying? You can't never let politics run your life, because if they do, it's sober. Yeah. It's sober. You're gonna always have to go answer to another grown man.
A lot of Eight Trays was there from the G's, from the OGs,
hell yeah,
to
man.
your generation.
A lot of when
I remember seeing Skull was there.
Yeah.
Who else was there?
Big Mad Bone, Unc.
Mad Bone was actually walking side by side with the 60s.
Yeah.
So that was kind of monumental, right?
Hell yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? Not only that though, like a lot of my little homies that came, I love them because that let me know they support me. And, you know what I'm saying? And they feel if I was wrong to somebody else, then they was wrong, and we all gonna attack. So shout out to all my little homies that showed up and was out there that came to support me. You know what I'm saying? And my G homies. And it was good because they was able to see the history. They was able to see the big homies hugging the other niggas' big homies. You know what I'm saying? Like, damn, wow, y'all know them? Yeah, they know them. They used to bang with each other. They was like brothers back in the days. So it was good for them to see some of the history.
And then y'all walked from the market, the Ralph's Market,
the parking lot, yeah,
up Slauson into the parking lot of Nip's store. I mean, this might have been the first time in the last 20 years that any Eight Trays was even standing in that parking lot like that.
Hell yeah, man. You'll never catch a homie just walking around or standing over there. And that's just out of being a real Crip and me saying that, because, you know what I'm saying, they can't come over our hood and just stand in a certain area on Manchester and Western and just hang out. You know what I'm saying? But they show respect. They held their peace for their big homies, whatever call that was made. You know what I'm saying? And we did the same thing. And hell yeah, I was like, damn. You know what I'm saying? It felt weird, but, you know what I'm saying, you could feel that the respect. You could feel that it was respect there. Like, nigga better not nobody do nothing. So you could feel the G's really stepped in.
Nip just got killed. There ain't nothing gonna jump off. What was your mindset thinking, like, you know?
Man, it was like, shit. When that shit happened, I felt that the whole city was finna be Beirut all over again. You know what I'm saying? That's the first thing you would come to mind. Ooh, Nip got killed? All the Eight Trays and them finna go. You know what I mean? But for what? We ain't had nothing to do with it, but that's how you would think. You know what I'm saying? So hell yeah, I'm coming back from my show and shit with Afro Man. Looking at him, he like, man, whoa, whoa. I'm like, damn. I'm feeling, we ain't got nothing to do with it, so you know what I'm saying? I hope they homies just stand down and don't make the wrong mistakes. Just like I tell my homies, stand down, let's see what's going on first. Before everybody get to trying to throw more fire on it. You know what I mean? You know, rumors get spread around and shit like that. So But it didn't even happen that way, man. Everybody just let that shit go how it went, you know what I mean? Everybody gave them their time to breathe, you know what I'm saying? Bereave on their homie, you know what I'm saying? And it was it wasn't nothing. No shootings or nothing.
No, it was like an amazing, peaceful collection of brothers from both sides. Not just from Eight Trays and 60s, there were some Bloods there.
There was Damos,
there was other Crips there.
Shout out to the homegirl from Black Peace Stone. It was a gang of people there, you know what I'm saying? But it's nothing like us and them, you know what I'm saying? It's the history is just, they even know the history is sick. You know what I mean? It's just like that, from body parts and all kind of shit, you know, the stories. See, what it is it's called a respect thing, man. And if you a factor, niggas gonna respect that. And you gonna always want that same respect back. You know what I'm saying? Like, if another reputable from they said die, I'm pretty sure you gonna want the whole city to pay homage to you because you did so much for your community. You deserve that. You know what I mean? Without no disrespecting. You know what I'm saying? So it was never like, nah, we gonna be kicking it with them after that and going to their set and hanging out and shooting dice and shit like that. It was just, it's a mutual respect thing, man. We gonna give them their space and let them do them and see how it works.
What do you think of the idea of like maybe every 6 months, every few months, you know, both sides get together and have a dialogue and talk about the issues, whether it's rap, music, hip hop, or stuff going on in the streets?
Hell yeah, that's how it's supposed to be. Like,
thanks for watching StreetTV.net. If you're not subscribed, please hit that button below and click the bell to receive alerts and notifications. Feel free to comment below so you can give us your feedback, and be sure to watch the 2 related episodes to the right. If you want to support this platform or follow us on social media, visit the links in the description. Thanks for watching StreetTV.net.